Turn this iPhone setting on and it will stop your spam and unknown calls instantly. So to do this, you need to open up your settings at first, scroll down, and then go with apps, which will be on the bottom. Once you tap on apps, you need to scroll down again and then you will find phone application. Scroll down again and you will have an option of silence unknown callers, or you may have an option of screen unknown callers, and then you can go and select silence. From that moment, any number not in your contacts will never ring. And below it, you will have unknown callers under your call filtering. You can turn it on if you want to organize these calls in a separate list called unknown callers list, so they don't get mixed with your regular calls. In short, silence unknown callers, stop unknown calls from ringing, and unknown callers call filtering moves them to a separate section afterward. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.